The installation of a landing sill and jamb in an elevator is a task that requires precision and expertise. It's typically performed by trained elevator technicians or professionals. Here are the general steps involved in this installation process. Tools and equipment. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools and equipment, including a sill and jamb assembly, fasteners, power tools, and safety gear. 2.1. Safety precautions. Ensure that you follow all safety guidelines and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. P. Such as gloves, safety goggles, and helmets. Elevator shaft preparation. Make sure the elevator shaft is clean, well lit, and free from obstructions. Clear any debris or obstacles from the installation area. 3.3. Positioning the sill. Position the sill assembly at the desired landing level, aligning it with the opening in the elevator shaft. The sill is the horizontal component that forms the bottom of the elevator door frame. 4. Anchoring the sill. Securely anchor the sill to the floor by using appropriate fasteners or anchor bolts. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific type of sill assembly you're installing. 2.5. Installing the jambs. Next, install the vertical jambs on both sides of the elevator opening. The jambs are attached to the sides of the shaft walls and provide support for the elevator doors. Ensure that the jambs are plumb and level. Connecting the components. Connect the sill and jambs to create a secure frame for the elevator door. This often involves fastening the components together using bolts, screws, or other appropriate connectors. 8. Door installation. Once the sill and jambs are in place, you can proceed with installing the elevator doors and their associated hardware. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the doors and their components. 9. Testing and adjustment. Test the operation of the elevator doors to ensure that they open and close smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments to the door system to ensure proper alignment and functionality. Feed-in. Safety inspection. Perform a safety inspection to verify that all components are secure and that there are no hazards that could pose a risk to passengers or technicians. Compliance and certification. Ensure that the installation meets all relevant safety codes, regulations, and industry standards. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain the necessary permits and certifications for the elevator installation. Please note that the specific steps and details of the installation process may vary based on the elevator manufacturer, the type of elevator manufacturer, the type of elevator system and local building, and safety codes. It's crucial to consult with the manufacturer's guidelines and employ trained professionals for the installation to ensure safety and compliance.